Thanks for coming by.
Yes.
Would you tell us who you are and where you're from? What school you teach at?
Yes, I'm Brian Wienk. I teach at Briar University in Sioux City, Iowa.
Awesome. And tell us a little bit about how you've been using the apps in your classroom, the PhysioU apps.
Yeah, we've had the students utilize these for the last couple years now, and we've utilized them in our test and measures course, uh, and actually supplementing the books
Yeah.
with the videos, and they've been working very well for our students. The students love them, and I'm really excited to see how the orthopedic sims have developed,
Yeah.
and can't wait to start using them with our students as well.
How have you seen your students responding to the use of these kinds of adjunctive materials?
Yeah, they really enjoy the short videos. I think they're used to seeing things in small clips,
Yeah.
and they learn well with that. And we're able to talk about some differences and similarities, maybe between techniques. And so it just really helps to enhance their learning.
That's awesome. How has this made your life during pandemic years of teaching? How has it impacted your teaching load, your burden, faculty burden?
Yeah, we really got into it right at the right time. This was a savior to us. We were not a hybrid type program, and so to be able to have to record lectures and things that we weren't used to doing, this has really helped to assist with our student learning, and we couldn't be happier.
That's great. Hey, thank you. And in one word, how would you describe PhysioU?
Progressive.
Awesome.
You know.
Thank you so much for being part of the team, and we're glad to be part of that journey with you and your students.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thanks, Brian.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
Yeah.